Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mobile Take Care. So welcome back to my channel. So after many days I bring this video, and this is the demo of YouTube channel app. So when I said YouTube channel app, you thought that using web VR and making such silly apps. That is not. This is different. So let's get started. So this app AI will be available after when I got the 50 likes on this video. So although I will wait for some weeks, and it's okay. I will put the AI file if you want. If you want, then comment down also. So let's open the app and see. So this is the splash screen, and here it's loading notifier button. So it will fetch some data from the table. So you can see here I have put only on some videos on the database. So I will update again more videos, and it will be available to you. You have to put the YouTube video ID and description thumbnails on the database, and you have to get on it. So I have done this, and I use material card view. So here you can see you can directly open this video on the YouTube also, clicking on this bottom. And if you want to play this then you have to click this play button. Okay, after clicking on this play button, so you have to wait for, and again you have to click on this play button. Okay, so here you can see video is loaded. Then you can put your IP if you and 0 on the Windows. So okay, in this way you can make you see this YouTube video app. In this is the demo, so you can share this also. Click on share button. Yes, and you can go back. You can see on the title bar there is back button. You can click that also, and you can go back. And okay, there are many videos also. So after updating the database, it will automatically be here. So when you will put new videos, then it will you have to update database, and after updating database, automatically these videos will be gone on the user's mobile. So you can see this. If you want to download video, then you can click on this download button, and it will open the Chrome custom tab, and you can see getting download links. You can block, and you can see this. In this way you can download. Click on cross button. We are back in the app. So this is demo. So I will put the AI file after some months, oh sorry, after some weeks. So thanks guys, thanks for watching. Keep supporting. If you like this video, share this video to the friends and give thumbs up. After getting the 50 likes, I will put the AI file of this app.